Today's students live in a world surrounded by technology, and we know that whatever field they choose to go in as adults, their ability to succeed will increasingly hinge on understanding how technology works. This is the foundation for a teacher-created computer science project at Countryside Elementary School that aims to nurture problem-solving skills, logic, and creativity. Students are gaining a thorough, cross-curricular perspective on the purposes and functionality of language and computer science code. To put it more simply, they're building apps.
Well, our project was to create a application for societal needs and educational needs. The topic we chose was hunger, and the reason we chose it was because it's such a big issue in the world. There's so many people that go hungry, and so we just decided why not talk about it more and try to get more people involved through apps, phones, which are used a lot, so the message will get out.
Before the app building began, students first learned about computer coding and foundational skills through lecture and hands-on activities. Then it was onto a website called AppShed, where the students could bring their visions to life.
Once you get onto the website that we used, you have a little phone pops up, and you have the option to create a new app. The first thing we added was headings, you can almost say. Once you click on them, it'll give you a base of hunger and ways to stop it and things like that.
And then right below that is the game. It has an icon on it and it says click here to donate. You click it and it leads you to the rice game. And if you get the games, if you get questions right, you can donate certain amounts of grains each question you get right.
The project highlights how students can utilize their own learning styles, tinker with a new tool, and work with other peers to problem solve together. And as Jenna articulates, it took some getting used to.
It was actually kind of hard. A lot of people were getting, stressed, how do this work? How do, man? And so there was a lot of trial and error. Then as time went on, it was easier because we had worked with it for a long time. So we could, get used to it and actually start to make some pretty, epic stuff.
Dysart's strategic plan focuses on innovative approaches to learning that allow for student choice and creativity. This type of real-life application increases engagement, integrates the overlapping of content curriculum, incorporates technology skills into everyday learning, and as these students found out, created a foundation for their future success.
Coding is such a big deal these days. So many people need coding to create websites and apps and things for their businesses and things like that. I feel that coding needs to be learned so that way you have a general idea of what it is, and then the farther, if you want to create a website for a business or something, it's easier for you because you already have that general background of how to do it.
You're getting that foundation to learn those bigger, things that you need to know. So right now we're just understanding coding. We're not really experimenting with all those big ones like Lua, Python, Java, all those huge ones. We're just getting a little glimpse of both, all of them. So if you want to take this path in the future, you have that foundation so you can. It's really useful, and I'm glad they're doing it because it's really beneficial.